You maybe have to hold it. Is it really right now?
We're rolling.
Are we rolling on camera right now?
This doesn't count.
Get up!
So if you're doing stuff there, boom, boom.
Good day, everybody. Sunday nighter, October 31st. You know what that means? Halloween! This is my real hair. Let's get her done. Today we got America's team, Dallas Cowboys, versus them Vikings from the north, Minnesota Vikings. Who's going to win? America's team, Cowboys. They're going to the Super Bowl this year. $20 says they are. Shake on it. You know what's happening. So we're cooking Dallas Tex Mex style. All Tex Mex all day long. We're starting with burrito bowls. Not a burrito bowl. Scratch that.
Breakfast bowl.
Breakfast bowl. Tex Mex breakfast bowl. We're going to do Tex Mex corn on the cob. We're going to do Tex Mex chopped chicken salad. Oh, from Dallas, Texas. Here we go. Let's get the barbecue and stuff going first. We got some chicken breasts. All you're going to do, hit it with a little bit of that Sizzle and smoke
with labels.
Like I said, get this stuff ordered. It's flying off the shelves. We don't know when we can keep it in. It's going out of stock, in stock, all over the place. It's unbelievable. Hit up your chicken boobs here. Get it on both sides. Raw chicken. Don't get that all over anywhere. Wipe your hands up quick. Hit her again. Get it on there. Get it on, little doggy. So we're going to get our chicken breasts on there. Here's our corn on the cob. We got a little butter. Little cilantro. Little sizzle and smoke. Wrap her up in the foil. Boom, 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 boom. Put them there. The other thing we need to do, make our Tex Mex dressing. So, we got ranch, you got taco seasoning, sizzle and smoke.
Nothing's been recording.
Holy, give a guy a heart attack here, you know.
Yeah.
Boom. That's Tex Mex dressing. We're going to put that in the fridge, let her sit for an hour. Let her work together. We're going to get the chicken. We're going to get the corn onto the smoker. Let her rock and roll. We'll come back. We'll start chucking our breakfast bowls together. Love it. Woo! So now we're going to work on throwing together our Tex-Mex breakfast bowl. In here we got a little pinto beans and some homemade garlic sausage. We're just going to chuck them into the old frying pan. Heat them through a little bit. I already pre-cooked to save time. Just to show you guys this here. It's sweet potato hash browns with some onion and sizzle and smoke seasoning. I just fried those up earlier, get them all warmed up nice and through. We're going to heat up the pinto beans and the sausage, and we're going to put that on top of our frying egg, throw it on there.
How's that original 16?
You guys hear something? I think there's a ghost in here. Original 16. SGH, y'all, look at this. This is a beautiful glass. This is a glass to be proud of, especially from Sasky. Oh, yeah. It's not big enough, though. So now we're going to throw together our little chopped chicken salad, some of the ingredients. We're going to put some corn in there. This is corn from our garden, from our corn cobs we grew this year. Throw in a bit of that. Black beans. Can of black beans. Well, this isn't a whole can, about half a can. Half a cup or so of that. Roma tomatoes. One medium Roma tomato going in. Green onions. A couple of good stalks of those in there. What do we got? What else we got? We're going to chuck a little bit more corn in there because we like it corny. Avocado. I'm going to show you my trick on how to do up a nice little avocado. Slice her in half. Don't cutting off your fingers. Spin it. Open it. Twist it. Out comes this thing. Then you take it. Chuck it, Kevin. Now to slice her up, just take the ends off of them. Just like that. And they peel. Super easy.
My dice method's looking easier.
And it just peels right off, and you have a whole.
All right.
avocado. Then you just give her a few chops like this. Boom, onto your salad. Easy peasy. Kevin's way of cutting it in the shell is actually works quite well too. This way works if you need to keep a whole half of a avocado together, basically. I like doing it this way because that's a trick I learned, and that's how I learned to deal with avocado, because I never really liked the damn things before because I could never work with them. But it works. That's a good piece, that's a bad piece. Work with me, scallops. See, they're just a pain in the butt sometimes. Boom. Chuck that in there. There's your salad, all rocking and rolling. Basically now we're going to wait for some chicken to throw on top. We're going to add some cilantro and some these things, tortillas, crushed up tortillas as well, and chuck those on there. Right now, let's go back to our little bowl, see how we're making out with our pinto beans and sausage. Those are warming up good. We'll get that stuff heated through, and we'll carry on in a second. Okay, so we got our chicken done, our corn's done, our bowls are almost done. Let's throw it all together and see what we got. So we got our chicken off. We're just going to throw that right on top of our salad. It's so nice and warm and steamy. I guess that's me. A little bit of red stuff. Thought it was the chicken. It's not. It's me. It's all good. So take our chicken. We'll throw on our salad. Finish it off with some cilantro. And we're going to squeeze one lime on there. Crushed tortillas over the top of her. A little bit of Tex Mex cheddar on top of it. Boom. And then you hit it with your Tex Mex salad dressing. That looks good. Even for a salad, that looks good. That looks great. So we'll take our corn on the cobs. We're just going to sprinkle a little bit of chili powder over the top. They already had cilantro and butter on them when they cooked. We're going to hit it with just a little bit more cilantro on the top. Boom. Tex-Mex grilled corn, if you will. We'll take our Tex-Mex burrito, or breakfast bowl. I keep wanting to call it a burrito, but it's not. It's a breakfast bowl. So we fried our egg. We got the egg on top. We're going to put a little bit more cheese on top of it. Same thing, we're going to hit it with a little lime. Get it all over. Splash of cilantro and hot sauce. Because why wouldn't a guy? Boom. There's our Tex-Mex dishes. Corn on the cob, Tex-Mex chopped grilled chicken, and the breakfast bowl.
That's a nice breakfast bowl. For our friends down in Mexico. I already tried this dressing. The dressing is really very good.
It's good. It is very good. It's ranch and taco seasoning and sizzle and smoke.
Chicken on the smoker is a whole deal. That takes not boring chicken, but plain old chicken. And that spice is good.
And they're all easy ingredients to find. Fresh. They're good.
Oh yeah, this breakfast bowl would be a hit.
It's got everything you need for a great breakfast in the morning if you're going out hiking, doing whatever. Sweet potatoes, got some onions, some sausage, some beans, good fibers in there, egg, avocado.
Oh yeah, I'm hitting that.
Fresh and away you go. She's that simple, folks. Happy Halloween to everybody. Dallas and Minnesota, Cowboys. They're going to the Super Bowl. Mark my words, rock and roll.
Watch the Juicy Lucy coming up next.
We're gonna throw it to you. I'm gonna have some more of these.
Great Western. Beautiful. Next time.
Till next time. Are we rolling on camera right now?
This doesn't count.
Get up!